Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have baking soda nails. As you guys can see, I have already placed it in my container that is easy for me to dip in, and also I have my nail glue that is from Amazon. I did purchase my baking soda at Dollar Tree. As you can see here, I already have my nails prepped. I've prepped them off camera. So right here I'm just going to show you one of the ways that you can build the nail to build a beautiful apex. Today I am starting from the bottom all the way up to the cuticle area, building it up to my liking. So everybody will have different amount of layers depending on how you're doing it and how thick you want the nail to your liking, of course. So here I'm just starting with every nail. So I place some nail glue in on the bottom of the nail, and then I just dip it in, I brush it off, and I'm just building my way up to the cuticle area. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And once again, thank you for all the love down below in the comments, and all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you guys. So these are what the nails look like after they've been built to my liking, and now I'll just begin to file. I'm using a 100-180 grit file. These are the polishes that I will be using. So all of them are one of them is from the Dollar Tree, the other one is from CVS, and the other one I think I got on Amazon. They're all under $2 and they're great. So here I just begin to paint over the nail to my liking, and obviously I build up the nail. I do multiple coats. I think I do up to 3 coats. I don't really remember, but yeah. So here I am just painting my nails, and then I'll add my accent nails, and at the end I will definitely add some rhinestones. You know, I love my nails to always be a little bit glamorous. And by the way that I prep my nails, I don't really like talking on it because I don't want people to get confused. But if any of you guys are interested, the way that I prep my nails off camera is a bit different. It's because of video purposes. I pop them off right after. So the way that I prep them is that I put on a peel off coat, which is an Elmer's glue, and then I apply a base and I glue my nail tip with that base and they pop right off. But obviously if you want them to last 2 weeks or more, you'd prep and dehydrate the nail and then apply a base. But I, for video purposes, do not do that. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I did creating it for you guys. If you guys want more budget friendly videos, I'm definitely down for it. I love creating these videos for you guys. So thank you very much for watching. And what I do, because I'm not the greatest painter, as you guys can see, I paint the nail however it comes out, and then after I grab any random brush that I have laying around, I grab some acetone and I clean the edges and it comes out beautifully.